Hello folks, this is Steve AB4. I'm out shopping. It's Friday. We're going to take a quick look at the Just Enough Room construction project. Can't quite drive through. Thought I saw an orange thing over here. Yeah, I did. They're doing something there. See the hose? There's dust. What does that little robot crane do? I can hear it banging. Hang on. I don't want to back into anything. I wonder what that dust over there is. Or is it steam or is it water? Hang on. See, I'm just being nosy. Let's get at it from this side. Yeah, he's doing something. He's got... I think what he's doing is cutting some metal. Yeah, or a panel metal. He's cut it to size. So that was probably a saw. Oh, there we go. They're going to put a panel. Alright, so they're paneling that face or something like that. Alright. But it isn't the bricks. So it was a saw, and he was cutting it to size. Gotta interpret it for you. Remember, I used to work for the Mossad. I'm an expert at being extra nosy. Let's go around the front and see if anything's changed. I think I saw a dirt pile, sand pile. Oh, they are working. Oh, there we go. Let's see if we can figure out what they're doing. Oh, they're doing the brick facade. They're working on the brick facade for the front. I can't tell if that's, alright, those are, the front has plastic over it, and I can tell that's what it is because I can see rips in the bottom level. And they're doing, oh, alright. And this guy right there, in the white shirt, he's banging pieces of cement off of the grate. So they're mixing the cement right there. And they're cementing the bricks in place. There we go. Whoop, let's be careful. Let's be careful. We'll get one more angle. There we go. The name on the side of the truck is NR Masonry Incorporated. They'll even do kitchens, concrete walls, works. See how he's banging away at that? The reason why he's doing that is they don't want any dried, set concrete chips in what the guys up there are using to cement the masonry brickwork in place. Okay. Oh! Suddenly it's busy. Yeah, she's parking. Oh my goodness. Okay, folks. I'm just being nosy and having fun. It's Friday. Steve ate before you. Saying see you at 73.